What's up, it's QueenSit. I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm out here in Arizona with Harley Davidson, and today I just learned something so mind-blowing. I can't believe I didn't know this, so I'm going to share it with you today. All right, let's go. And a little bit more. All right, y'all. I'm getting ready to try out this 131 engine with the Olin suspension. What's up? Have you been on this one yet?
QueenSit on the 131?
Yeah. Oh my God, this engine is nuts. This engine sounds crazy. Oh my God.
Everything's better, isn't it?
Yes. You want to get on? Oh.
I want to make a little change in your riding. So we want to get the bike downshifted into the gear we want for the corner.
Okay.
So you want to enter the corner with the clutch lever out. Okay? Not in. And just roll off and watch how the engine braking of second gear helps you slow. Don't pull the clutch in the corners, okay?
Yeah, if we're doing a really slow speed U-turn, yeah, we'll get that clutch into that friction point. But, you know, through these corners, and this bike has so much engine braking, a lot of them do.
Yeah.
That'll really help us, you know, thinking about trying to minimize the time that clutch is in.
Okay. And so when I enter the corner, no clutch.
The clutch is out.
Out.
The clutch is out. Yeah.
Okay.
That's maybe why you're here, to learn that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. All right, y'all. I'm here to learn something. When I go into the corner, they don't want me to grab my clutch at all. Oh, I see. I'm not grabbing the clutch at all. And I'm kind of just relying on engine braking. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. That's way different. That's way different. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Big difference, huh?
Yeah. So you just rely on that engine braking to slow you down.
And then as you go faster, you use the brakes and the engine braking. Okay?
So this whole time I've been grabbing the clutch.
That's right.
So I shouldn't have been grabbing it?
I didn't know it till I heard you. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to grab her and say.
What?
So we come toward, if we're coming toward a third gear corner and we're in sixth gear, we put the brakes on, downshift fifth, fourth, third, clutch lever out, go through the corner in third, and drive it out. You were trying to come in, pull the clutch in, and then try to manage the clutch again. No, clutch levers.
So the only thing, when I don't have the clutch in and I'm making that turn, if the bike slows down, I'm accelerating it a little bit. No? Or should I have enough speed?
It all depends on the corner. If it's a super slow corner, you'll pull the clutch in like the U-turn. But every other corner, the lever is out.
Oh, if it's a super tight one, then you want to kind of gauge your speed. But as far as the ones we're doing right here.
None of these, except for this U-turn, will be clutch in.
What's up, it's QueenSit. I'm here in Arizona with Harley Davidson. And first and foremost, I want to say thank you for this amazing opportunity, this amazing experience. Every time I come out with Harley Davidson, it's something that blows my mind. So today we went to the racetrack and we raced. Well, we didn't race, but I was able to ride this Road Glide. This is the new Road Glide ST, and I am sold on this bike. I'm ready to trade in my bike to get this bike. I'm loving the fender on here and the air cleaner. It's just a beautiful bike, but at the track I was able to learn some things. And one important thing I learned today, I've been making an error this whole time. So when I make turns, I've been grabbing my clutch to coast me through the turn. But one of the instructors said I just need to grab the brake and use engine braking to get around those corners. So that was mind-blowing, and I practiced it on our road, on our trails. I'll show you some clips. Or skip the beat. Hold on, but no, nothing like I normally. and it's been so much better. My hand is not cramping up, and it's just a more pleasant ride. So shout out to Harley Davidson for always pushing me to my limits, for always showing me things and letting me know that anything is possible. So shout out to you for following my channel. I appreciate you, and stay tuned because we have so much more coming. And look at this champion bike. This opportunity is crazy. Shout out to Kyle and everyone here. And maybe one day I'll race this one. Probably not, but I appreciate it. It's QueenSit, and I'm out. Thank you.